So very nice meeting you all today, and thank you for coming here. And the reason of meeting you today is we would like to first of all convey my happiness and very important event of India that signing of EU and India free trade agreement. It is something which is unimaginable and which has happened at this crucial period for India. So Kothari being in several avenues, so we are being in footwear. So we were having a lot of challenges in the tariff, and we were also facing a lot of problems and thinking about the future market because of the US tariff. Because we manufacture Crocs, we were exporting 60% to USA, and we were also managing our factory with orders. We don't want to send any employees home. We were managing the factories. We have thousands of people working in the factory. But day before yesterday, the event which our Honorable Prime Minister is signed and our Minister for Commerce, Sri Piyush Goyal ji, and External Affairs, everybody has worked very hard, and Secretary Commerce and Secretary Women is going to be a remarkable growth for the country, and this is essentially required. So I thought I will meet you all and share my happiness. And apart from that, I would also want to say where Kothari are now in this footwear. So today we have a joint venture press release, I believe, at 12. So regarding IUAD and Kothari joint venture. So we are trying to bring a design school into Tamil Nadu, India. And so core, I wanted to explain about the core interest of bringing that. See, we have a lot of businesses. Even in Kothari, we have a lot of division. We have fertilizer. We have a lot of businesses. But the great satisfaction is employment. So very important employment is women empowerment. As you all know that I have spoken in itself, will have huge employment as committed. 15 to 20,000 people will be employed. Initially, 15,000 people will be employed, and it will go up to 23,000 at a later stage. And we are also coming up with a third project. So that will be announced very soon. And being a public company, I have some process. So we'll complete that and we will announce to everyone where and where. We will be starting it in 26. The construction will be starting of the third project in 26. We will definitely announce. But meanwhile, give you a small brief, a small story of whatever happened in the past and what is the plan for the future. See, we started with the Crocs factory. So everybody remember, and we started with Crocs, and now we are manufacturing. And successfully, we have done a model in Perambalur, and then we wanted to go ahead. We got Adidas, and we started in Karur, and construction is almost overstayed, and we are going to open very soon. We are waiting maximum in a month or two. We will complete we will open the factory, and we didn't restrict ourselves with that. We wanted to tell you that we are not only manufacturers of footwear, we wanted to explore all possibilities in footwear. For example, then we went into a venture of taking a license of a French brand called Kickers, where, see, I would like to give you a small information. Everybody is aware of a lot of footwear manufacturing in India, but I don't believe any Indian company own an international brand. So small countries like Sweden and European countries own international brand for footwear. Even I was told by experienced person like Dr. Mohan and all, he said, sir, even Reliance has licenses and Metro has FILA licenses. So owning an international brand is very important. I think something good should happen. We are trying to finalize to make sure that India are very confident in creating an international brand. So this is our first positive message, is our proposal. And we are in talks, and if there will be a good news, we will announce very soon. So we are a lower segment band called Zodis and Jeetlo in Coimbatore, which is below 1,000 rupees segment. So we are saying we are not only available in a higher segment brand, we are also available in a lower middle class people segment brand, which is doing very well in India. 80% of the Indian market, these lower bands will cover. And we want to be a part of ecosystem. So we are now created a component cluster. I mean, in Perambalur, everybody is aware. We are waiting for the EC and EC certification. February it will be over. Once EC is over, we will have a clear idea. Then we will start the construction of 5 factories of component, which is, I have told already past 1 year back, there are some chemical component processes there. So EC took some time. Now everything is over. So I'm sure after February we'll start the construction. And very interesting is 5 component manufacturers already bought the land, joined with us in the starting of the construction. Other 22 partners have signed, and due to the US tariff, so they were very slow, but I'm sure this EU-India trade will open up 27 countries, great economy like Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. All these big business are opening up now today. And in Kickers also, I would like to share why we wanted
Zod is ZO is
DIZ and
Zito. This is actually 83% of the Indian market, less than 1,000 rupees. So we said that this market